Okay, so this time let's talk about the pencil tool. The pencil tool is also one of the drawing tools that you will be using most of the time in our course, the digital drawing and animation. In Harmony, you can access it here at the toolbars. There is the pencil button or there's the shortcut. And again, to have its use or features be maximized, it's advisable to have a stylus pen and tablet when you're using it. So let's go to Harmony. Now, in Harmony, you can find it here underneath the brush tool. So again, similar, so there are some similarities. To the brush tool, you go to the tools properties. As you can see, the settings, you can see here the sizes, the size preview, and then there is an additional here, the center line smoothing, which we'll later on discuss. But for now, as you can see, with some similarities to the brush, you can also customize it. You can add texture to it. And then you can save it for use or later use. Okay? So let's say I will just adjust for now the size. So I'll just set it to a little bit of a big size, 35. Stroke it. So that is our pencil tool here. Now, as you can see with the pencil tool, it is a bit, we will focus on the difference of the pencil tool with the brush. With the pencil tool, you have this, the center line smoothing settings. Now, what does that do? At 0, so you can see that the lines are jagged, or it is not that straight. The center line smoothing, if you will increase its amount, just for the purpose of showing it to you, the difference that it will make. Now, when you do some jagged lines, it tends to correct that. So that's the center line, or that is what the center line smoothing is for. So if you would like to achieve a straight line, but getting or having a difficult time using the tablet, you can use the center line smoothing for that. Right? So the higher the amount, the smoother your line becomes. Okay, so that is one difference when you're using the brush tool, oh, sorry, the pencil tool. That is one difference from the brush tool. Another is this. So let me just show you this first. Let me erase or delete these pencils, lines, and let me just draw one. Okay, so let me turn off the smoothing. Um, Set it down to 12, that will be fine. So for example, this is a pencil stroke. Then let's go to the brush, just for the sake of having it, just for showing you the difference. So let's say I want this solid brush, almost the same size. Oops. Let's make it a bit of a same size. Let's say 40 or 50. There. There. Okay, so here I will use the contour editor to show you the difference between a pencil stroke, there it is, and then a brush stroke. Okay, so from here you could actually see that a brush stroke is actually a fill. So it is a fill, so filling up the space between this shape or inside, no, the space inside the shape. So that's what a brush stroke is actually. A brush fills in colors, while a pencil strokes. So as you can see, the pencil actually is directly on the path. So this means if I am to edit the contour editor, or if I am to use the edit contour editor, as you can see, I can reshape, redraw the pencil stroke that I have created. And I can even select that, delete it, and it rearranges itself. I can press Alt, delete it, or I can press Alt and drag, curve it. So that is your pencil stroke being combined with a contour editor. Again, look at the difference. A brush is a fill. It fills in the shape or the paths. While a stroke, while a pencil is a stroke, wherein it is actually stroking, or the edge is being added with pencil strokes, no, directly on a path. So that is one difference of your brush and pencil tool.